Hey everybody, it's your favorite real estate broker, Mark Lima from the Lima Real Estate Group, and it's Tuesday, so you know what that means. It's time for another episode of Home Tip Tuesday. Today, as we creep into summertime, we're gonna cover a topic that is very pertinent to you, your air conditioning. More specifically, your air conditioning filter. So, your air conditioning unit has an air filter, and it's not just there to keep the air that comes out clean. Believe it or not, it does some other stuff. It prevents your AC system from freezing up, cooling unevenly. It makes it run more efficiently, and overall, it just is better for general wear and tear. So, long story short, be sure to replace your filters on a regular basis to get the best use of your air conditioning system. See you next week.